Shumway Lake is not a giant lake, but one of the biggest risks is cold water. Today, the temperature should get nice and warm and it's not freezing. So if you fall in, you're not gonna get hypothermia or anything. It might not be comfortable. Welcome. So there's different terminology for these boats. I know in England, they're kind of interchangeable, a canoe and a kayak. In Canada, a canoe is typically a two-person or more boat. They can have single ones, but mostly it's open and each person, the front and the back, has a paddle. That's a canoe. In Canada, typically what we call a kayak is the individual boat, and your paddle has two ends. So you have a blade on this side and a blade on that side, and you are fully in control. So you can't blame anyone else if you are going in a weird direction. All right, well, see you at Shumway Lake. Do you have that clipboard? You have a list of names? And yeah, same with here. And if you're careful, you should not have any problems. That's cool.
Who would like to be kayaking first? Put your hand up, nice and high, and then go stand over here, yeah.
Yep. Anybody else want to join the cool kids that are kayaking? Come on. Even if you haven't done it before, all of us have a lot of experience, so we can look out for you. Anybody? Come on. Bow.
Do you get so much wet with the fan?
What are the most buoyant?
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah. And then once he's out, then you
And just pass him in.
Can you see in this
can
box?
there you go. You grab some more, pass them up.
Thank you.
James, do you need more pedals?
Yeah, one more.
One more.
Only
one more?
Have a paddle for kayaking?
That's all, yeah.
Okay, is that
So
enough?
take your pick. And the other side will turn you a bit, but see if you can use your hips to control. Right, who's heard of Bigfoot or the Sasquatch?
Here.
So when we went to the Tulip Festival, that's kind of the grounds where they actually live, and there's been sightings. Who's heard of Ogopogo? That's the sea monster that lives in Okanagan Lake by Kelowna. It's kind of like the Loch Ness Monster of Canada, but the one that's a little less known is the Shumway Lake water serpent. So it's about 15 feet long, so it's only like as long as 2 kayaks, but it's about this much around, and it's translucent, so you don't really see it very much. but every once in a while it'll jump up and wrap around your paddle. I just made this all up on the spot. Alright, come on this side if you want.
Okay.
Ready? Catch up.
Yep.
Set. Go.
Go. Yeah.
Hold on. I'll pull you. Let go.
Should work with you after this. Two times.
And give everyone a little bit of space. We'll go together as a group. Let's let the
So you guys are gonna have 5 extra strokes for these guys. So ready? So you guys wait. Ready, first group, and go!